Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a video to your eBay listing. In a couple of minutes, you'll learn how to open your saved draft and attach a product video so buyers can see your item in action. Before we begin, sign into your eBay account and have a listing saved as a draft. Keep your video file ready on your computer. Clear, steady clips that focus on condition and key features work best, and common formats like MP4 or MOV usually upload smoothly. Adding a short video can boost buyer confidence and reduce back and forth messages. Open your web browser and head to the eBay homepage. Once it loads, look toward the upper right corner for the Sell button. Click Sell and eBay takes you to the Selling workspace where you can create new listings or manage ones you've saved. If your view looks different, eBay updates layouts, but Sell stays near the top right. On the Selling page, scroll until you see the Drafts section, where eBay stores listings you started but haven't finished. Find the draft you want to update and select it to open the listing form. Give the page a moment to load. Larger drafts can take a few extra seconds. Once it opens, you're in the listing editor. Inside the editor, locate the media area for photos and video. Click the video option to start attaching your clip. A file window appears so you can browse your computer. Go to the folder with your product video, select the prepared file, and confirm. For a smooth upload, keep the video short, well lit, within eBay's file size limits, and avoid background music. Brief demonstrations, close-ups of wear, and a steady pan help buyers decide with confidence. If you're filming from a phone, hold it steady and fill the frame with the item so details are clear. With the file selected, click Open to start the upload. You'll see an indicator while eBay processes the video. This can take a minute depending on size and connection. When it finishes, the video appears alongside your listing media, ready for buyers when the listing goes live. That's it. The video is now attached to your draft. From here, continue refining your description and photos, then publish when you're ready. If you make additional changes, eBay often autosaves, but giving the page a second to update before closing is a good habit. Thanks for following along, and great job enhancing your eBay listing with video.